Hi, I'm Wendy. Welcome to 90 Seconds to Thrive. Do you feel like there's so much to learn? I hope you do, because this means that we are growing and over time we achieve more. But the number one challenge in learning is time. We are too busy with work, family, and personal commitments to stay focused on our learning. So here are 3 ways to improve our learning productivity. Number 1, cultivate a network of experts. See the strengths of people around you. Identify their expertise, their people skills, their tech skills, business strategy, and marketing. Be helpful to them without expectation of return. This way, when you need advice, it's easy to ask. We learn much faster when we can access the insights of experts rather than spend time searching on the internet or making unnecessary mistakes. Number 2, apply your learning within 48 hours. In our fast-paced life, learning evaporates easily unless we put our learning to action, and these actions become habit. Identify 1 or 2 actions from your learning. It's not to get it perfect, but just act, experiment, and play with new ways. Number 3, get feedback quickly. Feedback helps us know our impact so we can self-correct and get better faster. Imagine the time wasted when you had no idea how we can be better. Always ask your team, your customers, or your bosses for feedback straight away. Questions like, what is good? What could be better? How did you feel when I did that? If you find this useful, please comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.